Hello, in this video we will see how AI router works. So first, add a trigger in bot builder, add a question block. So for example, welcome to ABC, how can we help you? Save question. Now here add AI router. So AI router basically tries to understand the intent of the user from the message they are sending, and then it routes the bot accordingly. So select authentication and AI model. Then in text for intent description, I will take last text input as the user may have typed when I asked how can we help you. Then under manage intents, you can add any number of intents. So here under intent title, you can give a heading. So for example, view product catalog, and root user when user wants to view products or wants to see products, and then save. Like this I can add various intents here. So next I am adding track order. So root user when user wants to track their order, and then click on save. Here I am adding more intents. Shipping details, user wants to know about shipping details. Refund. After you add all the intents you want, click on save. Now simply create routes as we did whenever we added an interactive question block. So for now I am simply writing catalog, track, product, so that we can know if the routing is done properly when we test this. Here I have another option, no intent detected. So if my AI router does not detect any intent, we can add a question block here where we can ask the user to rephrase their question. Save this. And then after this, I can select a go-to block and reroute the bot to the step where I have AI router. Save this. Now similarly, I have one more option, no intent matched. So if the user is writing something and the intent for the same is not mentioned in the list, so we can simply send them a message that our team will contact you in a while and assign the chat to an agent. Now let's save the bot and enable it, and let's give it a try. So I will send the trigger keyword. How can we help you? So I want to see some products. Catalog. So this is right. Now again let's try it with refund. Now let's try it with no intent detected. So let me write how are you. As you can see, kindly explain how can we help you. Thank you.